Greetings, mortals. I am Kratos, the god of war, here to impart upon you the ancient wisdom on how to earn the respect of others. Listen closely, for the path to respect is not for the faint of heart. To earn respect, one must first master their craft, whether it be in battle or in the pursuit of knowledge. Dedication and expertise command admiration. Strive for excellence, and let your actions speak louder than words. In the face of adversity, one's true character is revealed. Face challenges head-on without fear or hesitation. It is in conquering the impossible that you earn the respect of others, proving your mettle in the crucible of life. True strength lies not only in the ability to unleash fury, but also in the mastery of restraint. Demonstrate control over your emotions, and your actions will command respect. A measured response speaks volumes. In the midst of chaos, never forget the power of compassion. Extend a helping hand to those in need. True respect is earned by lifting others up, even in the darkest of times. A leader earns respect by leading from the front. Be the example others aspire to follow. Show integrity, resilience, and unwavering determination. Let your actions set the standard for those around you. Remember, mortals, respect is not given freely. It must be earned. Master your craft, face challenges with courage, exercise restraint, extend a helping hand, and lead by example. In doing so, you shall unleash the warrior within and command the respect you seek. Until we meet again on the battlefield of life, may your actions echo through eternity.